Hello, Team 6-1 Social Studies students. This is Mr. Bush, and this is a screencast with information for Monday, November 9th, and for Tuesday, November 10th. Today, in Social Studies, on Monday, November 9th, we clicked on the Q2 Week 2 folder, which is the reddish-colored folder on your main screen in Social Studies. And we went into Monday's folder, 11-9, which was the orange folder located here. First thing located here was the Sumerian BrainPop discussion question. As students open this up, it says that it asks for students to log into Clever, access BrainPop, and to search up the Sumerian's BrainPop. After watching the Sumerian BrainPop, answering the following question below. It says name at least 2 Sumerian firsts, things that they did before any other civilization. So students will follow those directions, go to BrainPop through Clever. They will access this BrainPop right here. Just as a quick disclaimer, Moby in the BrainPop is snoring, not tooting. So just so everybody's clear, so we played this together.
Hey, Moby. What is best in life?
And so students will finish up and watch the entire BrainPop. Utilizing that BrainPop, once again, they will answer the question, name at least 2 Sumerian firsts. And the video names at least 8. Some students could argue that it aims over 10 or 11 throughout the video. Students have to name at least 2 in at least 1 complete sentence for full credit. So that is worth 10 points. That should be a super easy assignment to start off the week here in Schoology. So when students finish with that, what we did was we went back to Monday's folder. Students clicked on the reading guide part A, and so what we did this week was we made it so that the reading guide wasn't super long over multiple days. We chunked it into 3 different parts. So when students open up this reading guide, it will be pretty short and simple. There are 3 vocab terms, 2 main idea questions, and 2 questions that go directly with this particular map that's right above it. Students can access the text multiple ways. They can either click on it in Schoology right here to open it up. And there's the text. It's about a page and a half. They can also access it by clicking on their document and scrolling down to the bottom 2 pages. So students have those 2 options of finding the text to answer those questions. And I gave the final about 15 to 20 minutes of Monday's class for students to finish this reading guide part A and to submit in Schoology. As we transition to tomorrow, which is Tuesday, the 10th, directions are pretty simple once again. As students re-enter into Schoology, they will go to the Tuesday folder. So they will originally go back to the Q2 week 2 folder. And then they will click on Tuesday 11-10, which is the yellow folder. They will click on the Civilizations Emerge in Mesopotamia Reading Guide B, which will open up in a document that looks like this. So this particular reading document is going to be a little bit longer with some more questions. However, they are all on one page, and they are all broken down by subheading, and that reading is located right below it. And once again, if students want to access it side by side in Schoology, they can just click on Source B, and it is there for them. After students submit their reading guide for Tuesday, 11-10, students will also watch a quick little video called Mesopotamia Trade Routes and Transportation. So students will click on that. It should open up the link to YouTube. Not a super long video. It's about 10 minutes. And this comes from a series called Journals Through History. So students will see a couple versions of this video, a couple parts of this video throughout the week and over the next couple weeks. So this one's about 10 minutes. After the students are done with the reading guide, they can watch this video, and this video will come in handy later on in the week as we move forward with the Mesopotamia unit. So on Tuesday, students will complete the reading guide, and then they will watch the 10-minute video that will help them later on in the week. We will be meeting live on Google Meets again on Tuesday the 10th, And then a reminder to students that Wednesday the 11th is Veterans Day, so there will be no school on that day. I will be in touch with students about Thursday because I will be out of the building, and we will work to continue to finish up this week asynchronously after Tuesday's live Google Meet. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me via email. I hope you have a great evening. Talk to you soon. Bye, everybody.